So today we are going to be unboxing this aquarium fluidized moving bed biofilter media. It's for 10 to 40 gallons. So let's open it. So it comes with this body. There's a sponge filter, some things you stick in the glass, and this is the biofilter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the media inside, like so. So I have placed all the biofilter media inside. Just put the cap back. Sponge thing goes in the bottom. So let's put that in. I have locked the the sponge in the bottom, and just put the cap on top, and now we're gonna attach the hose over here. So it says in the instruction that you have to soak it in the tank for 1 hour before turning it on, so that's what we're gonna do. Here is my tank, and this is the filter. So I'm gonna use one of my wires over here. So let's put it together, and I have the sticky thing in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here. Just insert it and insert it to the bottom, so you can see. Okay. So now I have attached the suction cups, and now we're gonna put it. As you can see, I've attached the hose. So we're gonna turn it and put it in, soak it for a little bit before turning it on. Actually, I'm gonna disconnect this from the hose because it says let it sit for an hour first. So I'm gonna let it sit for an hour. So we put this back up, and let's put this inside. Don't move it, Naomi.
Pick what show I want. You're not watching any fun show. You had to watch CVC Phonics. And YouTube? Yes.
See if it will stick. It's hard to stick.
Yes, me too.
Oops, it's not sticking really good. Let's see if we can stick it over here. So let's turn it up.
Ooh.
So let me see, Naomi. Attach it over here, and we're gonna check it later if it works.